I'm taking you to my kitchen and showing you how to make this delicious, easy and gluten-free Christmas cake. Make sure to make it late October or beginning of November so it's ready for the big day. Let's go! Here are all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. The full list is in the description of this video. The first thing you need to do is take a saucepan, put your sultanas, blond raisins and orange peel into the saucepan and then add the brandy. Next, you simply need to bring this to the boil, mix it thoroughly, and as soon as it's boiling, simply turn it off and cover the saucepan. And you're going to let this stand overnight, ideally. If you don't have time, let it stand for about 2 hours before proceeding to the next bit of this recipe. So the next step is to add the butter to a big bowl and use a hand mixer to cream the butter. When you've done this, simply add the sugar and mix it again with your hand mixer. When this is done, it will look a bit like this, like a butter cream. Next, add the zest of 1 lemon and the 2 eggs. And now give this all a good mix. You can use the hand mixer again or just do it by hand, whatever is easiest for you. Next, add the gluten-free flour. I use Dove's Farm plain flour for this recipe. Add the ground almonds as well and add the spices. That's ginger, some ground cloves and some ground cinnamon. Finally, just add a pinch of salt and then give this all a good mix. Next, we are going to add our soaked fruit. Smells lovely of brandy, I can tell you that. So add this to the mix. And last, add the chopped pecan nuts. Now give all this a really good final mix. Now this is done, we're going to bake it in the oven. Here's what we're going to do. So first, set your oven at 150 degrees Celsius and heat it up. Okay, while the oven is heating, we're going to prepare our cake tin. So I've got this one, it's 20 centimeters in diameter. Don't take a huge cake tin. The first thing you need to do is take a piece of non-stick baking paper, put it under your cake tin, and with a pencil, just draw a circle around the paper. Then grab some scissors and cut the circle out. Okay, just like this. Once you've done this, take your cake tin and put just a little bit of butter in the tin. I use one of these silicone brushes to basically make sure that there's butter at the bottom of the tin and on all the sides. Okay, here we go, all ready. Now I'm going to put my non-stick baking paper at the bottom of the cake tin, just like that. Here we go. Now you can pour the cake mixture into the cake tin. There you go. Now the Christmas cake is a very solid, compact, heavy cake. It has no raising powder, so it's not going to rise at all. It's going to stay compact. So just make sure that you spread it evenly into your cake tin, just like this. There you go, it's ready to go. It smells absolutely beautiful of brandy, I have to say. So now we're going to put it into the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, your Christmas cake is cooked. This is what it's going to look like. It's normal. It's not smooth. It's a bit bumpy, okay? Don't worry, we're going to cover it with marzipan, beautiful icing just before Christmas. For now, just take it out of the oven and, very important, leave it in the tin. Do not take it out. It's going to stay in this tin until 2 to 3 days before Christmas. So now all you need to do is let your Christmas cake completely cool down, leave it in the cake tin, as I just said, and then we get to cover it and leave it in a cool place, not the fridge. Just like a cool room or a cool cupboard, somewhere where it's not overheated. Keep it covered the whole time, but about twice a week, take it out, uncover it, and pour 1 or 2 teaspoons of brandy on it. It kind of feeds your Christmas cake and helps it release all the beautiful aroma. That's all you have to do until 2 to 3 days before Christmas. So 2 days before Christmas, you're going to have to make the icing and decorate your cake. I will show you how to do this in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. See you there. Bye for now.